Temperature Sensor Test Unit DC-700. Enhance the reliability of your aircraft battery maintenance with Proponent Battery Services DC-700. The temperature sensors in your aviation nickel-cadmium batteries must be inspected and tested at intervals specified by the respective battery manufacturers. To meet this requirement, Proponent Battery Services has developed the electronic temperature sensor test device DC-700, along with the necessary adapters and cables. With this practical new design, various temperature sensors can be tested easily, accurately, and professionally. The test device can be ordered with 3 specially designed adapters that enable efficient measurement of different sensors. The connection cables facilitate the connection of up to 6 measurement channels from the test device to the temperature sensor, allowing necessary tests to be pre-programmed and saved. The actual value sensor connection is located on the back of the device and is connected to the test adapter. The built-in thermal printer also provides a simple and clear display of the measurement results. Trust in our over 40 years of experience and rely on the temperature sensor test device from Proponent Battery Services to ensure the functionality of the temperature sensors in your nickel-cadmium batteries. For more information, please visit our website and contact our knowledgeable and friendly team.